This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Welcome to your dream new construction home, perfectly designed for those seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle without sacrificing comfort or style. Nestled in a charming country-set community, this property is just minutes from downtown Blue Ridge, allowing you to easily enjoy the vibrant local scene before retreating to your serene escape. The low-maintenance landscaping is nearly complete, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the nearby river access, ideal for fishing, kayaking, or simply tubing down the gentle waters on a lazy summer and fall day. This home is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Step inside to discover an open floor plan that maximizes space, natural light, and storage, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The home features a mini split system and a tankless hot water heater, ensuring high efficiency and comfort year-round. You'll appreciate the well-insulated and secure environment that makes this residence both cost-effective and cozy. The kitchen is a true highlight, boasting sleek stainless steel appliances and high-end furnishings adorned with elegant gold accents. The showstopping quartz countertops, paired with a sophisticated backsplash, elevate your cooking experience and make this space a culinary delight. Whether you're looking for a place to call your own or an investment opportunity, this home has it all. Short-term rentals are allowed, giving you the flexibility to generate income while enjoying your property. With no HOA restrictions, you have the freedom to personalize your space as you see fit. Conveniently paved access ensures easy travel to town, making this new construction tiny home the perfect blend of modern living and natural beauty. Embrace the lifestyle you've always wanted in this low-maintenance, river access retreat. Your dream home awaits. For more information, review the details below.